Hello my friends, today I was making this second piece of my speed square. This time is not painted and fence from white oak. I have changed construction of the fence and add here one more double. Also transparent like this one and this one. I like how it looks with this color of wood. It's acrylic double stick, oak, Vengi. These transparent doubles looks not bad. On this model I add these holes, protractor holes for bigger pencil. And you can use thin one. I have precision protractor scale on top side and bottom side also. But only one high precision scale here on top side, because you can use it in any direction, no problem. Many of people ask me about cells of this square, but I cannot to make so many squares just now. I will think about it. The mass production is not the same like making of one piece of square and need to make some preparation for this. Now I'm thinking about other models of square. I wanna make small one, half of this size, and very big size of triangle square. I think twice bigger of this one. So all what I will do you will see on YouTube, G+, and Instagram. Especially I recommend to subscribe me on G+. I will try to develop this account. So see you next time and be happy with making of things by yourself.